I'm Dory with the blog This Full Life 5. We've been working hard on our kitchen, giving it a budget-friendly makeover, and today we'd like to share with you our countertops. We went with Instant Granite to give our countertops a budget-friendly upgrade. I'm so excited to have the opportunity to work with the company Instant Granite for this project. They offer multiple granite and marble look options for a fraction of the cost of real. We were able to get the look of marble I've always wanted without paying the high price. The base material for Instant Granite is a high-quality PVC vinyl. It has an adhesive backing that adheres to your existing countertops. They have multiple tutorial videos available, and I've linked to those below. It took us about 2.5 hours from start to finish to complete the installation. And here they are, all done. It's been about 2 weeks, and so far we are very happy with them. For more details about what the process looked like for us, I've linked the post for you below. And for more information about our home, visit thisfullife5.com. See you next time.